So the West Indies Test cricketers are currently engulfed in another losing escapade. In the second Test match against Sri Lanka, right now, there are three probable scenarios from this game. A defeat for the West Indies, a defeat for the West Indies, or more than likely, a defeat for the West Indies. And look, assuming that Sri Lanka declares first thing on day 5, we would all love for the West Indies to lick up this little 280-yard runs and leave egg all over the Mavericks' face. You'd have loved that, don't? One thing for sure, the Windies batsmen cannot bat to draw this game. They don't have the defensive technique nor the temperament to bat out a full 5th day against these Sri Lankan spinners. We need a measured but positive approach with a view of chasing down these runs. So me really just say, I am hoping that my goat mouth can work in reverse. And the Windies can chase down that record total and beat Sri Lanka. Let me finish. And beat Sri Lanka.
That will never happen.
Beat Sri Lanka in Sri Lanka for the very first
You will
time.
never live to see that. That now go up.
You're too
That
negative,
will
man.
never happen. You will never live to see that.